Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I am going to recreate ROXARTSS arts on her Instagram, and a lot of moas on Instagram already recreated her arts, and I'm kind of late, but it's okay. So if you are new here to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to click the notification bell, and also please please don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts: Instagram at Facebook and my Facebook page so can visit my Facebook account so that you can like and follow my page. So without further ado, let's jump out to the video. First step, basically this foundation for our base, I will be using this Sunsun and this Everbalance. So you just going to mix this. I had already mixed this. So I've been planning talaga to recreate these looks a month ago, couple months ago, but I don't have time because I'm busy. So yeah, I'm just going to get this, and now I'm going to apply concealer. Here, and now I'm setting my face using these Everbalance. So yeah. So for now, I will be using face paint palette and apply to my T-zone. So thank you, please. So hi guys, this finished look. Hope you like it. Hope you like this look, and if you want more to see some creative makeup, just subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my social media account. So I will be posting there the full details of this look, the products I used. Yeah. So bye guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye.